ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड मतलब मुझे तो जो कोर्स किया था उसके उसकी वजह से बहुत हेल्प हुआ है। तो उसकी वजह से मैंने आई थिंक बहुत सारा नोट्स मतलब रखा था बुक्स में। तो ड्यूरिंग मतलब प्लेसमेंट जैसे ही चालू हो गई तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती गई। तो उसके ड्यूरिंग दैट आई हैव डन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। सो आई हैव आल्सो एडेड सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी लर्निंग्स। तो दे उसकी वजह से मुझे आगे कंपनीज में मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुई।
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have Saurabh here with a very interesting placement story that a lot of students can relate with. He completed his BCA in 2023 but wasn't able to get placed anywhere. So he decided to pursue MCA, and by that time he realized the importance of upskilling and enrolled in our Mon Self Place program in April and landed a full-time role in just 9 months as a Mon full stack developer at Zenny Daily Sales. Thank you so much for joining us. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
So first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. So my name is Saurabh. So basically, I am from Pune. So like currently, I am working in Zeni. So basically, I have placed in the past week. So I have started working just 2 days ago on 12th of January. So this is my overall things happening.
Okay, so you completed your BCA in 2023, and in the same year you started your MCA. So what
Yes.
made you feel that getting a master's degree was the right path for you for like at that time?
So like I have passed out my graduation degree BCA in 2023. During that, like there are a lot of market recession. So that's why I want to get to the masters. So during my masters, so I gain lot of skills. But like for the upskilling, so I have searching that platform that really helped me for me. So that's why I have during that I get one of the platform is like EcoJob. So this I have pursued. I have started journey from EcoJob.
Okay. And you were enrolled in a self-placed course, and you are based in Pune as well. So why didn't you go to the AccuJob Skill Center? And was there something specific that you find about the self-paced course that was right for you and caught your attention?
So like basically one of the reason is like I want to do something like I want to do course like in a daily basis, like full time. So in evening or something in a night. I want to go that way. So that's why I have done full of the course within a month. So this is my main reason. So I want to go to the fast track course.
ओके, सो आपको ऑलरेडी मतलब थोड़ा बहुत BCA MCA से पता भी था और आप उसको सेल्फ कोर्स पे मतलब अपने पेस पर लेकर जाना चाहते थे जो आपके लिए थोड़ा और कंफर्टेबल भी था. सो यहाँ पर हाउ वाज द डाउट सेशंस जब भी लाइक ऑन सेल्फ बेस्ड प्रोग्राम यू आर लर्निंग ऑन योर ओन. सो व्हेन यू हैड डाउट्स व्हाट वर योर वे टू रीच आउट टू देम?
So first of all, for the doubt, so initially I have joined in April. So then after that, जो अभिषेक पाल सर वो मुझे मेंटर करते थे. So usually तो कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगी या कोई भी यूनिट में फंस जाता हूँ तो उस समय अभिषेक पाल सर मुझे मेंटर करते थे. वो बता देते कि कैसे आप कैसे अप्रोच कर सकते हो या कैसे मतलब कोर्स फास्ट तरीके से आप परस्यू कर सकते हो. तो उनकी वजह से मतलब मुझे जर्नी में बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस और मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फ्री हो पाया उनकी वजह से.
ओके, एंड जो यहाँ पर आपके डाउट्स होते थे, जो भी क्वेश्चंस आप सॉल्व करते थे डेली बेसिस पे, एंड जो भी मेंटर से आपकी गाइडेंस हुई, तो उसके थ्रू आपको इंटरव्यूज में कितनी मदद हो सकी?
So during that, so like I have also joined some of the live sessions because I have joined a fast track course. So AccuJob provided some of the live programs in a night. So though I have joined lot of times. So during that, I have some of the questions. So I have really asked with some of the person. They have really industry-wise experience. So I have reached out them, and this is really help for me.
ओके, एंड एज यू मेंशन दैट आपने अप्रैल में ज्वाइन करा था एंड करीब 9 months लेटर यू वर एबल टू गेट प्लेस. So can
Hmm.
you share how many placements did you sit for through AccioJob?
So during that time, I have also 60 plus placements. During month, I have daily basis. I get one of the company I get. So I have applied that company. So some of the learnings also there from them previous companies. So this really helped me. Also during that, I have just started my placement journey. So during 2-3% really helped me for like Utkarsh sir, also Sedap ma'am. So these are people are really help for me because they consider they have asking me what are the reason they do you have failed. So these things really help me.
Okay. And matlab, 9 months is a very big time. So what do you
Hmm.
think that AccioJob did differently for you that now you are placed, which you were lacking? Any skill जो आप मतलब MC और BCA में lack कर रहे थे?
So like basically during that period मतलब मुझे तो जो कोर्स किया था उसके उसकी वजह से बहुत हेल्प हुआ है। तो उसकी वजह से मैंने आई थिंक बहुत सारा नोट्स मतलब रखा था बुक्स में। तो ड्यूरिंग मतलब प्लेसमेंट जैसे ही चालू हो गई तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती गई। तो उसके ड्यूरिंग दैट आई हैव डन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। सो आई हैव आल्सो एडेड सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी लर्निंग्स। तो दे उसकी वजह से मतलब आगे कंपनीज में मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुई।
Okay. And this is sort of, there are a lot of students that don't get placed after doing a college degree. And when they see that this is happening, to fill that gap, what it do is that it rush towards doing masters. As you have also been in the journey where you were not
Hmm.
being placed after doing BCA and you started with your MCA journey. So, what is that one piece of advice you would like to give these students?
So basically, do not go to the masters. Basically, focus on basic skills. So like they have another platforms like ActoJob. Some of so this really help for me because all help for other students also because आपको आपके पास कौन सी भी skills अच्छे थे तो उस कंडीशन में आप कौन सी भी कंपनी के पास रीच आउट कर सकते हैं। तो इट्स रियली भी हेल्प मतलब बीसीए के बाद भी आप अच्छे से प्लेसमेंट ग्रैब कर सकते हो। तो first of all go to the skills.
No, that is very good advice कि मतलब जब तक you as a person is not upskilling वो आप basic skills उतने अच्छे से develop नहीं कर सकते, so there is no point of doing masters, which is a very valid advice. So thank you so much Saurabh, it was genuinely great talking to you, and AccioJob really wishes you well as it is your second day. I hope you are doing something that you always dreamt of, and congratulations. And if you ever need to upskill, you can always reach out to AccioJob. Thank you so much for everyone watching. If you are also a student who is facing issues in getting placed and wish to upskill yourself, I will mention the course links below in the description. Do check them out and follow AccioJob for more placement stories. See you in the next video.